Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing this eye look, and if you guys want to see how I got it, then keep on watching. I'm so mad because I thought I was recording but I wasn't recording, but so far the only thing I've done is set my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair and Neutral like always. So I'm gonna be using my Colourpop palette, and it's the one that was in my BoxyCharm, and it is broken, but long story short, BoxyCharm said they're gonna send me another one, but they cannot assure me it's gonna be the same one, which better for me because I could have two palettes. So this is how it looks like, and I'm gonna probably be using the shade that's broken just because it's like the best shade in there. And I'm gonna clean my brushes but after this video, because I am gonna include this like little short clip in a future vlog, and you guys will see later what I'm talking about. So the first shade I'm gonna be using is this shade right here. This shade I'm gonna be using as my transition shade, and it's called Pulling Strings. So I'm gonna just grab my fluffy brush, and this is the second Colourpop palette I own, and so far I like Colourpop palettes. The first one I have, I like it because it's like, oh, it's so pigmented. So the first Colourpop palette I own, I already have a video on here and I liked it, but the darkest shade was so hard to blend out, and I don't know why, but it was still really pigmented. So I'm just taking that and just blending that everywhere. So this side is already blended, and this eye looks better than this eye. For the first time, it looks better than the other eye. So I'm gonna use the broken shade, and that shade is called FBO, and that's how it looks like. So I'm gonna use the same brush, and I'm gonna just kind of dab that on there because I don't want it to break worse. And I'm gonna just basically go over the transition shade, but I'm not gonna go all the way like I did with the transition shade. I'm gonna go a little bit under it, and I'm gonna kind of create like a V shape at the end of my eye like that, and then I'm gonna blend it in. This is a shimmery shade, and it's like so nice. I think it's my favorite shade from this palette. So that's how it's looking, and I'm gonna do the same thing to this eye. And I'm kind of debating if I should use this shade right here. Oh, I'm not trying to lift it up because I don't want it to break. So I'm gonna just grab my finger and I'm gonna apply that shade wherever I do not have eyeshadow, like that. And I'm gonna just keep applying more till I get as much pigment as I want. So that's how it looks. It looks kind of crazy, but it'll look better once my foundation is all done. And I was too lazy to cut my crease with the concealer, so I just added the shadow on top of what I did, on top of my eyelid, no concealer. So I'm gonna just do the same to the other eye. I really like how this shade looks, but everything looks like so unblended. But I'm gonna take the same brush that I used to blend, and I'm gonna just take the same transition shade that I had used in the beginning, and I'm gonna just kind of blend everything in together. That purple shade we used is called Licks. I'm gonna be just wiping off any excess I still have left over, but before I'm gonna take this brush, and like I said, my brushes are dirty, so I'm just using like random brushes. So far I really like the pigment on this palette, and I'm gonna be taking this shade right here, and it's called The Knot, and it's like a really like you could use this shade for a highlight. So I'm gonna use this shade to highlight my brow bone. I think I'm done with my eyes, and I kind of think I'm gonna darken it up a little bit, and I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm gonna use this shade right here called Sparks Fly, and it's like a really dark shade. It's the darkest shade in this palette, And I'm gonna just kind of darken up the outer corner like that. And then I'm gonna kind of take what's left over and just blend it towards the inside and just blend that up here too. Now I'm gonna just wipe everything and I'm gonna go prime my face and add my concealer, whatever. Well, I already did my makeup and my foundation is so white, but I wasn't trying to use my good foundation. That is my shade because I'm almost out. But I went ahead and I put this shade Pebbles from Colourpop all under here, and I only took it probably towards the middle, not all the way towards my inner corner with this brush. So next, and I look so weird, but it's because I don't have lip gloss or eyeliner or mascara. So I'm gonna be putting this matte NYX eyeliner, and I'm gonna do that off camera too because it's gonna take forever probably. So yeah, my eyeliner and my mascara is done, and I'm not wearing no lashes, but I'm gonna go ahead and use my NYX faux white eyeliner, and this is in the shade Linen, I think Linen, I don't know. And this is like a pink shade, and it's like pastel, so you can't really tell it's pink. And I'm gonna just go ahead and put this all inside my waterline just to kind of make my eyes look like they're big. So now that my eyes are basically done, my eyes, I'm gonna go back into my palette and I'm gonna just highlight my inner corner with the same shade I used to highlight my brow bone, and I think that's the shade the Knot. Yeah, the Knot. So I'm gonna just grab that shadow and put it right there, and you guys can see it's like so pigmented. So I think I'm done with the eyes. And also I've been using my brow gel that I got in my BoxyCharm, and I think it is my shade. I don't know, tell me what you guys think, but I really like it. So now for the last thing, I'm gonna just use my Ades high definition liquid lipstick that I also got in my BoxyCharm, and this is the shade Hot Cocoa. So I'm already done with this look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it wasn't too boring. And look at this highlight though. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, whatever. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said,